Hey girls, it's Autumn. So I just wanted this. Okay, seriously, I'm just gonna tell you guys right now. This makes the third time that I've made this video. Okay, the first time I used that new Capture This app that YouTube decided that they were gonna make, and I used it for the first time to make my videos on my iPhone, and it literally crashed. And then the second time my phone said that I tried to record it on my regular camera on my phone, and then it tried to say that I didn't have enough room. But it made the other video completely, but that video is not even in my camera roll or whatever. So I don't know what the deal is, but I don't know. I do have a lot of pictures, so I probably don't have enough a lot of room. But yeah, so I just wanted to make you guys a vlog because I just got back from the dollar store and I wanted to show you guys what I got, because I don't know, I have 3 beauty related things and 2 other things because we're moving or whatever, so I'm just gonna show you guys that. But I also want to tell you guys that the reason why I haven't made a video is just because let's see, for the past week I've been kind of sick. All I know is I went to the movies last Saturday, and the next morning I woke up with a sore throat and everything. It was probably the shirt that I wore. And oh look, you guys, Sugar's meowing. She wants to get out. I'm gonna let her out. Peace, kitty. Okay, so yeah, but I was all sick and stuff, and I just did not feel up to making a video. When I made that What's in My Makeup Bag video, I can't remember when I made that, but I think I made myself make that morning, and then the rest of the week I just did not want to do anything really, and let's see, and we're getting ready to be in the process of moving and stuff, so I haven't made anything because, I don't know, I didn't want to, I don't know, but, yeah, so we're kind of going to be in the process of doing that too, so I probably won't be able to make a video, maybe, for a while next week, but I'm thinking about making one tomorrow. I'm just not sure yet, so if you guys watch this tonight, please request a video because I'm not really sure what to make right now. I'll probably make an eyeshadow tutorial or something because I really want to make some more of those. But anyway, just to quit talking about nothing, I'm just going to show you guys what I got today. Okay, so the first thing that I got was I got some foundation. This is just some emergency foundation. You guys, I had no idea how to make this camera focus. I haven't used it in so long. This was the camera that I started with. But, yeah, this is just the CoverGirl Clean foundation. I've never even really heard of it, but I just see it at the dollar store all the time. And it was really the best that they had. I didn't want to spend $9 on that, the True Match kind, but I don't know. I probably will one day. But, this is just in Soft Honey. And it was either between that, and Natural Beige, and my mom said Natural Honey, so yeah. And then I just got some Wet n Wild blush, and this color is in Heather Silk. And you guys know that my other Wet n Wild blush broke. Ooh, I was so mad, but yeah, that was in my What's in My Makeup Bag video, so you guys probably saw it. And then another thing I got was I just got some bobby pins, and these are the Belle brand, and these are the ones that cost only $1, and there's 100 in it. And they also have another pack that has maybe 50 or something in it. No, not even that much. Maybe, I don't know. It's just maybe 50. It's probably got 50 in it, and it's $1. So, and it's the same brand, so I don't know what is up with that, but I just got the ones with 100 in it because that's what I always get. And then I got, yeah, so me and my sister in the new apartment, we have our own bathroom, so we had to kind of get stuff for our bathroom. So my mom and her boyfriend, they bought us these shower hooks, and they're just clear. And then they got us a shower curtain, and it's just got all these different colors in it. And I wish the quality of this camera and video wise was a lot better because the colors in this are so pretty. And it's got a stain on it, and I don't know why it's got a stain on it, but I like it. So yeah, and then I picked out this trash can. Seriously, this is not even cute at all. It's just a tan color, and they had this ugly purple color, and I'd rather have tan than that. But this just comes with the wastebasket, soap dish, tumbler, and one toothbrush holder. So yeah, that's the tumbler. Hold on a second. That's the tumbler, that's the toothbrush holder, and this is the soap dish. So yeah, and this is obviously the trash can. So yeah, you guys, that is all I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then please thumbs up. I'm going to try to do more videos, like, you know, whenever I go places and stuff like that. But like I said, my phone is dumb, and this is my mom's camera, so I kind of, if I ever even use this for vlogs or whatever, I kind of have to get her permission first. So yeah, but that's what I got today. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, guys.